Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And in this video, we've once again teamed up with the crew at Do Cycling to bring you another edition in the cycling series. And today we're going to review an inexpensive bicycle repair stand by Crivit, coming up next. Hey, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and like I said, we've teamed up with the crew at Do Cycling to bring you another edition in the cycling series, and we're proud to bring you a review of an inexpensive bicycle stand by Crivit. You've never heard of Crivit? Up until recently, neither have I. But here on the channel, especially when we team up with the crew at Do Cycling and Do Cycling Videos, we like to do inexpensive bicycles, inexpensive and quick repairs, basically get into cycling on a budget. And usually that takes us to the big box stores, Walmart, Target, that sort of thing. But the Crivit brand is coming out of the chain Lidl. Lidl is a supermarket. It's also kind of like a Walmart. They have a lot of items coming out of Europe, and they have plenty of stores up and down the East Coast now. And I visited my local Lidl, and they have a bicycle section, lo and behold, and it's all great stuff at low prices. I'm not affiliated with Lidl in any way, shape, or form, but I came across this item. It's a repair bicycle stand, and I needed one, and the price was right. It's $29, and I learned later on after doing some research that it is seasonal, so you have to check the store every so often. But there it is. Comes in 2 to 3 pieces. Quick assembly. You're going to see that coming up. And there's the tripod, fully assembled. That part comes fully assembled. All you have to do is just extend the tripod legs, and you're up and running. And that part right there is where the second piece, you're going to see, I'm going to have the instructions out. There's the instructions. There's the second piece. The instructions are pretty easy. Everything is labeled. It comes with a little tray to put your tools in, and the arm to grab the bike, and you can swivel it 360. It raises up and down, so you can work on your bike. There's the instructions. Comes in English. Very good manual. Explains everything to you. There's the tray. You can put your tools, your screws, whatever you're working on. That piece right there, you'll see later on, secures the bike. It's a backup second secure. So let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. And now we're going to assemble the bike stand, the Crivit. And we got all the pieces laid out. Let's get cracking. We're going to put assemble the tripod, which is, I think this part comes fully assembled actually. All you got to do is deploy the legs and the stands, and I'll show that. And then we got to start putting in pole 3B, and then pole 2, and 2A is the bike stand holder. Hopefully we'll end up over here. Hopefully. Okay, here's the tripod. Came fully assembled. All you had to do is deploy the 4 legs and those little feet. Everything came assembled, so now we're going to put the 2 poles in so we'll be able to mount the bike. Stay with me. Pretty straightforward. Loosen it. Put the crossbar in. It's hard to do this one-handed, but we'll get it done. To the cross-hatch area. There's a little marking right there. Tighten it up. Getting there. Hey, quick, up and running in minutes. There's the Trek Marlin 5, ready to be serviced. As you can see, I have a flat tire. So that's going to be the order of business today. But we assembled the bike stand, the Crivit. Basically, in about 10 minutes, we are up and running and able to service the bike. Whoa, that didn't look too secure. Gotta get back and fix that before I fix my flat. What'd you guys think of the Crivit Bicycle Repair Stand? This is a great addition to the low-cost choices for cycling. Big box stores, it's always good to have somebody knocking on your door, and Lidl apparently, I hope I'm even saying that right, Lidl. It's a supermarket chain coming out of Europe. Lots of stores along the East Coast. Check them out. There might be one near you up and down the eastern seaboard. So with that in mind, they do have a cycling section, but this piece in particular, I found out after doing a little bit of research. I got lucky. I stepped in it. This is a seasonal item. It's not always available, and for $29 you absolutely can't go wrong. Don't know how long that price is going to hold, but if you see one in the store at $29.99, even $39.99, grab one. It is pretty sturdy, solid. Once I figured it out, that was my initial deployment. I was able to properly secure the Trek Marlin 5. And that little piece there I didn't show you, it's just a little piece that goes onto the bar, and it clips onto your handlebars right by the trigger shifters, and it secures your bike from swaying. It comes with everything you need, the little tray there, and like I said, great price for a guy that wants to, or gal wants to work on their bike and do it on the budget. So once again, thanks to the crew at Do Cycling, and catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix. Check the description for the final word on this video. Catch you next time.